Letter Museum. To make your museum display, choose a letter to work on and then find things that start with that letter and put them together. Step 2. Make signs and labels for your museum display. Step 3. Make some museum passport for your visitors. Step 4. Make a letter sticker sheet for the passports. Finally, the museum is ready for a visit. Come on in. Here is our first exhibition. A bear, some books, a ball, some bananas in a box, a backpack, and a bicycle. What letter is this exhibition representing? Let's get our passport and the letter sheet. Cut out the letter B. Glue it on the passport. I visited the bee exhibition today. Here is our second exhibition. There's some tea, a teapot, a telephone, a turtle, toothpaste, a trophy, and a train. Now we're going to visit the theater. Video record yourself singing the alphabet song and play it in the theater. Would you like to make a letter museum at home and invite your family members to have a visit? Have fun!